Watch what happens when this strange woman tries to get into someone's house.
What are you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm not allowed to be here.
This is not your house.
It is.
Hello? No, some woman's trying to get in my house.
It is my house.
Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't have pants on, and she's really inebriated.
This lives at my house.
This is not your house, babe.
This is Jordan's house.
No. Yeah, she's at my front door right now.